Best cordless drills are offered in a wide variety, each with unique features, benefits, and prices. I did a massive amount of research, reviewed a ton of, and put up 5 lists of the best cordless drills from trustworthy brands to assist you in making a decision. After extensive investigation, I discovered these goods to benefit people like you. If you're curious to learn more about the price and other information, be sure to read my description. We have included links in the description. Without further ado, let's watch the video. Number 1. Milwaukee 2904-20 Hammer Drill. Experience unmatched performance in a compact design with the Milwaukee half-inch hammer drill, engineered for professionals who need serious power in tight spaces. Delivering up to 1,400 inch-pounds of torque and a maximum speed of 2,100 revolutions per minute, this drill is built to handle demanding applications, whether you're driving screws, boring through wood, or drilling into concrete. What sets this model apart is its excellent power-to-weight ratio. Weighing just 3.3 pounds, tool only, and measuring a compact 7 inches in length, it's ideal for overhead work and tight job site conditions. The 3-speed transmission offers superior control and versatility, letting you switch from high-speed drilling to precise fastening with ease. Safety and user comfort are top priorities. The built-in auto-stop feature automatically halts the motor if the bit binds, protecting your wrist from sudden rotation and enhancing tool longevity. Despite not being the absolute fastest or most powerful cordless drill available, its balance of strength, speed, and ergonomics makes it one of the best all-around cordless hammer drills on the market. Whether you're a contractor, electrician, or DIY enthusiast, the Milwaukee half-inch hammer drill delivers reliable, efficient performance for every task, proving that big power can come in a small, durable package. Number 2. Skil PWRCORE Drill Driver Kit. Get the perfect balance of power, convenience, and affordability with the Skil PWRCORE 20V cordless drill driver. Designed for both beginners and seasoned DIYers, this lightweight and compact tool delivers reliable performance for a wide range of household and workshop projects. Despite its small size, it packs an impressive 400 inch-pounds of torque and reaches a maximum speed of 1,800 revolutions per minute, giving you plenty of power for drilling and driving tasks. Weighing just 2.23 pounds, tool only, this drill is comfortable to hold and easy to maneuver even in tight spaces or during extended use. Its 2-speed transmission provides versatility for precision work or faster drilling, while the built-in LED work light ensures clear visibility in dimly lit areas. While it may struggle with some larger drill bits, the Skil PWRCORE excels as a driver, easily handling 3-inch screws and smaller drilling applications. It's ideal for assembling furniture, hanging shelves, and tackling light home improvement projects. Best of all, this cordless drill offers outstanding value, delivering dependable performance at a fraction of the price of premium models. With its user-friendly design, solid build, and budget-friendly price tag, the Skil PWRCORE 20V drill driver kit is a smart choice for anyone looking for a powerful yet affordable tool to handle everyday drilling and driving needs. Number 3. DeWalt 20V Max XR Hammer Drill. The DeWalt 20V Max XR half-inch cordless drill is the ultimate choice for professionals and serious DIYers who demand power, precision, and control. As the flagship model in DeWalt's cordless drill lineup, it delivers unmatched drilling strength, boring a half-inch hole through a 2x4 in just half a second and a 1-inch paddle bit hole in only 3 seconds. This impressive performance makes it one of the fastest and most capable drills in its class. Equipped with 3 speed settings, the XR offers exceptional versatility for any task, from high-speed drilling to low-speed screw driving. You can easily dial in the right combination of speed and torque for precise results without damaging materials. Its anti-rotation safety feature automatically stops the motor if the drill binds, protecting your wrist and ensuring safer operation. At 4.1 pounds, tool only, and 7.6 inches long, it's slightly heavier than some competitors, but its compact design helps it fit into tighter spaces without sacrificing balance or comfort. An integrated LED work light brightens dim work areas and enhances accuracy on every job. While it comes at a premium price, the DeWalt 20V Max XR stands out for its durability, power, and professional-grade features. It's the ideal tool for tackling heavy-duty tasks, home renovations, and demanding construction work, making it a worthy investment for anyone serious about performance and reliability. Number 4. Flex 24V Brushless Cordless Hammer Drill. The Flex 24V cordless drill driver redefines performance and durability, delivering professional-grade power for demanding drilling and driving applications. Equipped with a robust 24-volt motor, it produces up to 1,400 inch-pounds of torque and an astonishing 2,500 revolutions per minute, allowing it to tear through wood, metal, and even concrete with ease. In testing, it drilled multiple half-an-inch and 1-inch holes in just seconds, setting a new benchmark for cordless drill speed and efficiency. Designed for serious professionals, the Flex includes a turbo button that boosts torque output for maximum performance when tackling the toughest materials. Its anti-rotation safety feature automatically stops the motor if the bit binds, protecting your wrist and ensuring safe operation during high-torque tasks. Though slightly heavier at 3.9 pounds, tool only, and not the best for extremely tight spaces, its 7.1-inch head length and balanced design deliver comfort and stability even during long work sessions. The powerful 5Ah battery, sold separately or included in kits, offers extended runtime, making it ideal for job site use. Built for those who demand the most from their tools, the Flex 24V drill driver is more than just powerful, it's smart, safe, and engineered to last. Whether you're drilling through with studs, concrete blocks, or metal plates, this drill delivers uncompromising performance, precision, and protection, making it the ultimate choice for pros who won't settle for less. Number 5. Ryobi 18V1 Plus Compact Cordless Hammer Drill. The Ryobi 18V1 Plus Compact Cordless Hammer Drill delivers impressive power, versatility, and comfort in a lightweight, affordable package. Designed for homeowners and DIYers, this tool offers professional-level performance without the professional price tag. With 750 inch-pounds of torque and a maximum speed of 2,100 revolutions per minute, it's perfect for tackling everything from light repairs to moderate renovation projects. Despite its smaller size, this drill doesn't shy away from tougher materials. In testing, it drilled 1-inch spade bit holes in wood within seconds and easily drove 3-inch screws through stacked 2x4s. Switching to hammer drill mode allows it to bore into concrete with smaller bits, giving it true all-around functionality for everyday tasks. At just 2.3 pounds, tool only, and with a compact 6.75-inch head length, the Ryobi hammer drill offers outstanding power-to-weight balance. Its slim profile and ergonomic grip make it comfortable to use for long periods and easy to maneuver in tight or awkward spaces. While it doesn't have the brute strength of high-end cordless hammer drills, it excels in portability, ease of use, and value. For under $100, you get a dependable tool capable of handling nearly any household or light construction job. The Ryobi 18V1 Plus Compact Hammer Drill is the perfect choice for anyone who wants a powerful, compact, and affordable solution for everyday drilling and driving needs.